Hey guys, Josh here. I'm excited for you to be with me today. Today I'm going to learn the running man. But first, this place is a little bit messy. Let's clean it up a little bit.
Hey guys,
Hello.
it's Mavis.
Hi, Mavis.
All you need to start are some comfy clothes and some comfy shoes.
Alright.
The
Comfy
first and
shoes.
most
I
important
don't
thing
have
you need to
shoes.
learn is the running man. This
I
is
the
what it
music
looks
she's got
like.
going.
You might have seen it.
Oh shit. No, she did that spin thing. I can't do that spin thing at all.
So there are lots of different styles, but the fundamental movement
Alright.
is simple. Imagine
I like how she just draws the line with her toes.
And you're
And
standing.
she's like, yep, I got some magic toes here.
To start, open your stance.
I can do that, guys. Alright, here's my line.
And one leg
Alright, 1 foot
forward.
forward,
We
1
call
foot
this
back.
Pyramid.
Pyramid.
Scoot the front leg back to the middle line.
Okay.
Bring the back leg up. We'll call this flamingo.
So pyramid, this is pyramid, this is flamingo.
Pyramid.
Pyramid, flamingo.
Pyramid.
Pyramid,
Flamingo.
flamingo.
Pyramid.
Pyramid,
Flamingo.
flamingo.
And so on.
So one comes up, and then the other one comes center. And then like the other one comes down, and then that one goes back. So like right comes center, and then left comes up, right goes back, left goes down. And she's doing it fast.
Not
Kind of
too
tired
quick, right?
already.
Well, the hard
Holy
part
shit.
is going from this to this.
Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna need a low BPM.
Getting up to speed takes practice. You won't be fast enough right away.
So
but
122 to
don't worry.
128
You'll get
BPM
there.
is like the typical
1.
song
Practice to know music.
for something like
2.
this.
Practice the music with a low BPM.
Okay. So yeah, if I ever get
Once you
stuck
have
on
that,
moves, I should
graduate
start
onto
at
a
slow
song with a
BPM and
slightly
then
higher
work my way up to higher BPM. Okay,
So,
and then like if I have trouble too, I can just do like the one move and then pause.
Pause. 1, pause.
Like pause.
So on. Eventually,
Like pause.
you string 2
So if I keep messing up at a certain part, I can just do that. I can pause, think about it, and then like go.
1 and 2
Like kind of get my bearings.
Then 4. 1 and
Pause.
2 and 3 and 4 and pause.
Pause, think,
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and
pause,
Eventually,
think, go.
You'll be able
Right.
to string
Yeah, that makes
together
sense.
a running man, even for a little bit.
Cause like I'm gonna
Don't be
like,
afraid to pause. You're
it's better to like think for a second and then do it right than to do it wrong and kind of keep going. Because by thinking and doing it right, I'm kind of like building the right process in my brain. It's kind of like what I'm thinking. Alright, that was cool. That was awesome. I like her tutorial. She's a really good teacher too. Alright, so now is the time where I know the move in my head and I need to actually get it down in my feet and body. But there's no way I'm going to be able to do it to a beat because I have a lot of weaknesses in the move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the move without a beat slowly so I can get it down and get it smooth before a beat. And then I'm going to move on to the beat. At this point I was actually able to do the running man without any real hiccups. So now I'm doing it to a slow beat. I didn't really have a ton of kinks to work out with this move because I already knew it, but again I just wanted to show you guys the process. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I had a great time with the running man. Couple things I think I need to improve on, maybe a little bit too stiff. Thanks to Mavis Everett for such a great tutorial video. Check her out in the description below. Leave comments, I want to know what you think, and come along this journey with me by subscribing and turning on notifications.